Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone. Today we're going to talk about windshield wiper blades and how to determine which kind you need for your vehicle. Different blades are better for different situations, depending on your budget and the climate you live in and how long you want them to last. One type may be a better choice than the others. The conventional blade's simple design consists of a rubber squeegee held by a metal frame. The frame can pivot, allowing the squeegee to be held to the windshield. You should consider replacing your conventional blades once every 6 months. You'll find these on older vehicles, while most new vehicles come with either beam or hybrid blades. Now, the most common type of blade and regularly found as original equipment on modern vehicles, beam blades are designed with a solid piece of rubber on a curved frame that contours to the windshield to provide maximum contact. They are more expensive than conventional blades, but they're also more efficient and last about twice as long. They're particularly useful in cold climates because they don't have a metal frame that can get clogged with ice and snow. Hybrid blades use conventional design with aerodynamic rubber shell and attach to the metal frame for better performance. The rubber shell provides similar weather protection as a beam blade, and the metal frame features pivoting suspension points to help press the rubber firmly against a curved windshield. They are often more affordable than beam blades and more expensive than conventional blades, making them a great middle-of-the-road option to maximize both savings and performance. Remember, when it comes to choosing the right blade, consider the driving conditions that you're going to experience, like snow and ice, and your budget. If you have any questions, your local AutoZone can help you find the right blade for your vehicle. To learn more about car care, be sure to like and subscribe below.